Wireless dry vacuum cleaner, 20 kilopascals, multi-surface floor carpet sweeper. Commercial handheld cordless cleaning machine, extremely powerful suction in max mode that instantly picks up pet hair, fine dust, debris, and large particles from carpet, hardwood floor, tile floor, marble floor, etc. The standard mode can offer up to 35 minutes. This wireless vacuum has a removable battery of large capacity and a sizable cup of 1.2 liters of powder and 2 adjustable different suction powers. It has a 4-stage advanced filtration system. Flexible 180-degree swivel sideways and 90-degree up and down lets you clean your home with ease. LED lights help illuminate every dark area and track dust and dirt. It's equipped with several different brush heads to allow hand vacuum functions and car vacuum cleaners. You can use it to clean the floor, carpet, stairs, table, car seat, or even keyboard, etc. Can be placed on the wall with a wall mount and conveniently charged at the same time. Above all, it's lightweight and easy to operate with just a button. Link in the description. Please like, share, and subscribe to support this channel. Thanks for watching.